Are you interested in seeing our embroidery printing process? If you like, keep watching. Here is our 6090 UV Flatbed printer. This is to highlight the sense of embroidery volume by printing the white ink layer many times. If you want to print the same effect with this machine, you need to print more times white ink. Repeated printing for 3 times can bring a concave convex feeling. You can print other colors when you think the thickness is enough. When the color printing is finished, you can get beautiful embroidery patterns.